Hi, today we will be talking about hair transplant. So many patients, they usually ask us when they come for their first consultation that can I cut my hair after hair transplant, and if I cut my hair will it grow again? So this is very important question, very important topic. So today we will be discussing about these things.
Magical experience your maybe short time. You are very good hands. I am very happy to work with you.
Hi, this is Dr. Vivek Galani, founder and chief hair transplant surgeon at RQC Hair Transplant Clinic, Surat, India. So as our topic says, can I cut my hair after hair transplant and will it grow again if I cut my hair? So definitely yes, your hair will grow after hair transplant. You can cut after the hair transplant, and also it will grow again and again. Why this will happen? Because hair transplant is a combination of nature and science. Why it is nature? Because we are taking your natural hair from your donor area and we are implanting in your bald area. So that's why it is nature, and because of science we are able to take your hair follicles with the root and we are able to implant it in your skin approximately 0.4 to 5 millimeter deep in your skin. So when you go for cutting haircut or style, the maximum what will happen, they will use razor and they will use it on your skin, whereas our hair root is below your skin. So they will cut from above the skin, they will trim from above the skin, so the root that we implanted is completely safe beneath your skin. That's why your hair will keep growing and growing again, and if you don't cut it, it will achieve the certain length as your pre-existing hairs are growing. See, we have treated so many female patients, our old patients who have been treated since 1 to 2 years, they have very quite lengthy hairs. So the length of your hair will depend on yourself, on your pre-existing hairs. They will achieve those length, and then you cut, it will grow again. So yes, it is possible after hair transplant. So you can do your haircuts, you can do colors, you can do styles, hairstyles, whatever you want. But before doing this, you have to ask your hair transplant surgeons, you have to take their opinion, because they will guide you properly. They will let you know how you should do it. So you have to ask them once and take their opinion also. So normally what happens after your hair transplant, in the initial 2 months, first 2 months, there is shedding phase. So your hair are going to fall by itself. So at that time you don't have to cut anything, but after that the growth phase will start. So within 6 to 8 months of your hair transplant, you will have some short hair, some long hair. So you can go for the setting, you can go to salon and do the set. You can set your hair, but do not shave completely or zero trim, because the result of hair transplant, it takes 1 year to show it complete result. So for in the initial 6 to 8 months you can just do the setting, and after 1 year when we have complete results, you can go for whatever hairstyle you want. If you want to do zero shave, one shave, that you can do in one trim. And but as I said, always ask your hair transplant surgeon or consultant about their opinion and follow them, do what they suggest. So I hope I have cleared your doubts regarding this question. And still, if you have any other question regarding this topic or any other questions regarding hair transplant, feel free to write comment in our comment box, or you can call on our helpline number, talk with our hair experts. They will give you in details about your queries and any other details you want. So till next video, bye bye, take care, thank you.